Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have a ring reveal from Nectar Bath Treats. This is their Sweetest Surprise Bath Bomb, and it's from the collection Just Nastya, the little girl from YouTube. And I think this is the last of the ones that I have to film. I've already posted all the other ones from the collection. Most of them do contain cat rings. There was a cat bath bomb that didn't contain anything, but you can search my channel if you want to see those demos. This one in particular has a grape scent, smells really good, and the ring inside is 18 karat plated, and it has an open design, so it fits most fingers. It does have a tag on it that you'll see here in a minute that says it's size 2.5, but you could kind of open it, close it a little bit if you need to. But these bath bombs are very quick fizzers. You can already see the container. I just went ahead and broke the rest of it free while it was hanging on. This one's adorable, has little paw prints and a heart. And I have noticed that when it's pictured online, there's a ring in the corner, and that ring has correlated with the bath bomb. It does not appear that if you order bath bomb, it could be a variety of rings. It appears that it is the ring that is pictured with it. That's what you get. I do have a promo code in case you'd like to order anything from them. Apparently it does not work on these collections, these collaborations, but it works on anything else on their website. So I will leave all that information below. And as always, thank you so much for watching. Bye guys.